To enable or disable SMS delivery report on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, we need to go to the Messages app. Once you open Google Messages, we can go to our profile. So it can be over here on the right side or in the top right corner. Tap on the avatar and go to Messages Settings. Now, in my case, I have two SIM cards, so I have the choice of my SIM cards. If you have the same, then you can go to your SIM card, and you should be able to find Get SMS Delivery Report. So you can tap on this switcher to turn on or turn off that option. Now, if you have just one SIM card, then most likely you have something like this. And if you have these settings first, then you need to scroll down and find Advanced Settings or something similar to that, which should be somewhere close to the bottom of these settings. And if you go to these advanced settings, then you should be able to find these settings over here, where you can also find the option for delivery report. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!